So one last question I wanted to cover that didn't forgot to include in my last video was this one, number 16. Somebody had asked about when the average price of item increases from P1 to P2 from one price to the other over n years, you can calculate the annual rate of inflation R in decimal form. Using this, the rate is the second price over the first price to the 1 over n power minus 1. The average price of 1 pound of cheese increased from 22 cents, so that'll be the first price, to 5.83. That would be the second price, from 1913 to 2013. So that would be over 1 over n, where n is the number of years. That's 100 years. Don't forget the minus 1 here. So basically now we just go to our calculator and I could put in precisely that. So 5.83 over 22, 583 over 22. So let me clear this out, make this bigger so you can see. So parentheses 583 over 22 cents, 0.22 to the 1 over 100 power minus 1 would give me 0.0333. So to the nearest thousandth. Okay, so that's 3 decimal places, 0.033, and then I wouldn't round up. So the rate would be 0.033. So decimal form. I was wondering if they're going to ask for it in percentage form. I think that's a 3.3% percentage rate. So I just want to make that quick video because somebody asked about 16. Not too bad. We're just plugging into the proper values and calculating.